Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to transfer money from Bitmart to Binance. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Now let's start this video. We first have to open Bitmart. After opening Bitmart, tap on assets on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once we are in the overview, tap on spot over here, and after opening the spot we have to tap on withdraw. Now search for the coin which you want to transfer from Bitmart to Binance. So in this case I will select USDT as an example. After selecting USDT, we have to tap on the first option which is send via crypto network. Choosing that option will land to that page where we have to paste the address of the USDT. So now we have to open Binance exchange. After opening Binance, we have to tap on wallets on the bottom right corner and then tap on deposit. Now again search for the coin which you want to deposit in Binance. I have selected USDT again. Now here's the main part where we have to choose the correct deposit address of USDT. So here I will select BNB Smart Chain or BP20. After selecting the address, we will get this deposit address which we have to copy. Now just close this Binance and come back into Bitmart exchange. Paste that address over here. After pasting the address, now we have to move on to the network section where we have to again select the same network. So in our case it was BEP20. After selecting the network, tap on confirm. Now write down the amount you want to transfer from Bitmart to Binance. After writing down the amount, you have to tap on withdraw and then confirm your transaction. So after a few moments or maybe an hour or maybe 2 hours, you will receive the confirmation email that you have successfully transferred your money from Bitmart to Binance. And that's how you can easily transfer any type of cryptocurrency or your USDT or your money from Bitmart to Binance. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.